Right guys, it's Susannah here from the Good Property Company. I'm going to do a whole series for you guys based on the deals we've done. Why? Because what I've learned can be transferable to you guys. So shall we just start at number one? My very first deal ever. I was still working full time, 2 children that I was bringing up, head of household, so it was only me, so it was me and the kitchen table. But I knew that I wanted to buy property for the safety, security of myself and my family, and that's always been my driver. So my little first baby property was Sandling Avenue. I still own this one. At the time, it's actually very sad. I bought it, it was a repossession. Now I know you're not supposed to open mail, but I mistakenly opened a mail. She only owed 8,000 quid. I was desperately sorry for her. So it'd already been repossessed. I bought it from a repossession company. Where did I see it? From an estate agent. How did I find it? I made tons of phone calls, 100 phone calls, 25 viewings, 21 offers, you get a property. Those were my stats. And what I did, I used to take Fridays off, because I still had a very, very full-time job, Fridays off to make phone call after phone call after phone call, and Saturdays, sandwich, flask of tea, driving around, 10 to 13 viewings. So I bought it for 79,000 through an estate agent. I did an £8,000 refurb, and at the time, it was worth 120. Now, it's not gone up as many of my other ones have, but it's now worth 170, which is not bad, is it? And it's made profit for every single month for the last 10 years. So that's the kind of property you guys can do. What was it? It was a 1-bed flat. It's small. I went in and within 30 seconds I was ready to go again. And I was terrified. So if you guys are starting, my suggestion to you is you buy discounted. So remember, I bought it for 79, it was worth 120. I only spent 8 grand doing it up at the time. So I've bought the profit in at the beginning. I've made 100 phone calls to estate agents. I've done 25 viewings, 21 offers, found a property. That's a lot of hard work. But I managed my diary. I did the phone calls on Friday, viewings on Saturday. At the time, I then made lots and lots of faxes. These days, you'd email them to the estate agents on Saturday night, rock on Susannah, and I'd bought a property by Monday morning. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these next videos. But remember, subscribe, turn on your notifications, sit back and enjoy.